Here's the latest and the inside story in what happened in Kanpur. Investigations now indicate that a police insider leaked information of raid to dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey. The IG has suspended the cop suspected of leaking information. Vinay Tiwari, the SO of Chaubepur police station, who remained unscathed during yesterday's attack on police party in which 8 cops got killed, has been suspended, and sources say investigators were convinced that he was the one who leaked information about police raid to gangster Vikas Dubey. Amir Haq now joining me with the latest. Amir, you're on the ground, you've been speaking to people. This is very, very strange and disturbing.
Well, absolutely. It is very, very shocking, the manner in which one of their own, in fact, a station house officer is being held responsible for leakage of information. Well, we do not have an official confirmation as far as involvement of Vinay Tiwari in leaking information about yesterday's raid is concerned. But yes, police sources do tell us that he was the one perhaps who was involved in leaking this information, and perhaps this is what led to the huge tragedy, the catastrophe that happened yesterday. But let me take you through live pictures, Pranesh. This is from Vinay. This is from Vikas Dubey's house here in the Bikru village on the outskirts of Kanpur, wherein the administration has now started the activity of demolishing his house and properties. This is the same spot where 8 policemen were gunned down yesterday in the wee hours of yesterday when they had come in here to raid his house and to arrest him and his henchmen. The Yogi government, I must say, has been very, very prompt, and perhaps a few laws have also been bypassed to make it sure that people do not take law and order for granted, and definitely anybody who tries to attack the police and the might of the government will meet the same kind of consequences. The JCB is being used here, the same JCB perhaps which was used to block the route of police towards this house is now being used to demolish this very property, and it's a huge property. Pranesh, if I can take you around, this is the house in which Vikas Dubey actually stayed while he was in Bikru village. Of course, he has other properties as well spread across the state capital Lucknow as well as various other places. And look at the condition of this house. This has been completely decimated, and it has been pulled down. The vehicles which were parked here have also been smashed. Now, many from among the police sources who we have spoken to have only told us that this might have been done to ensure that there are no explosive ammunition and firearms which might be kept here in this location. These are the vehicles that perhaps belong to Vikas Dubey or his associates or family members, which have been completely smashed. The house has been brought down using JCBs. The entire periphery wall which surrounded the house, which gave it a fortress-like look, have been completely broken down by the administration. Huge force of police is present here on this particular location, the spot where yesterday's firing actually happened, in which 8 policemen got killed. But today, the administration jumping back into action, the Yogi government jumping back into action, ensuring that the perpetrators of this heinous crime do not go unpunished. Now, many from among the police sources, although we still do not have a confirmation whether the police and the administration had obtained a court order to go through this exercise, but yes, we are being told that all legalities have been taken into account while before all of this activity actually started here. This is the entry gate to the premises of this building, the house, in fact the mansion where Vikas Dubey used to stay with his associate and family members. And this is the adjacent area of the building which was actually used to create vantage points by the associates of Vikas Dubey and take target on policemen who were killed right outside this gate. And on in the house on the right side of this gate. So all these buildings have been pulled down completely by the administration with help of the police. We still do not have an official confirmation, as I said earlier, whether the administration had obtained the court's approval before carrying out this demolition exercise. But yes, we are being told that this is being done to give a message to all such people who take law into their own hands, that you cannot bypass the law, you cannot take the law into your hands and go unpunished. So severe punishment, as the UP Chief Minister has said, will be given. The martyrdom of these 8 cops who laid down their lives in the line of duty will not go to vain, and this is something which on the ground seems to be established by the government and local administration here in Kanpur.
But Amir, the probe details that you've managed to access, they are disturbing to say the least. We are not just looking at political patronage now. We are looking at sabotage by an insider.
Well, yes, absolutely, Pranesh. It does seem after the initial police investigation that there might actually be black sheep within the department itself, because Vinay Tiwari was somebody who was the local station house officer in charge of the Chaubepur police station, and sources do say that he was close to Vikas Dubey and his men, and which was why perhaps he was reluctant initially in the last case which came before him. He finally had to register attempt to murder case against Vikas Dubey, following up on which the police team comprising of forces from 3 police station areas had converged on this particular spot to raid his house and to arrest him. But Vinay Tiwari was perhaps very reluctant from day one itself to register a case against Vikas Dubey, and since he also escaped unscathed in yesterday's attack, he was not in the forefront when the police team raided his house. Of course, the cops, including the circle officer as well as the station house officer of another police station, as well as sub-inspectors and constables who laid down their lives, were in the front of the entire, while the entire team had converged here, which was why these casualties happened. So that definitely has given an inkling to the investigating team that there might be involvement
of dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey that resulted in the massacre of 8 policemen. That is the big twist now being reported in this case. We are leading the coverage on this story. Amir Haq reporting from the ground, tracking the latest as far as police investigation is concerned. Amir, thanks for your inputs. A quick break. We return to more news on the other side. Stay with us.